English shorten 85 words per minute. First I will dictate some difficult words, then take a dictation. Start. Tamil Nadu, commerce, typewriting, shorthand, in all walks of life, laurels, competition, innumerable, moral, qualifications, lofty. Stop. Start. On the occasion of the prize distribution function arranged by the Tamil Nadu Commerce Institutes Association, the distinguished guest said, "I am very glad to associate myself with this function arranged by the association for honoring the candidates who have distinguished themselves as having been adjudged as the best candidates from among those presented for the government technical examinations and in the competitive tests conducted by the association. It is a fact that typewriting and shorthand are playing vital role in all walks of life, especially in business activity. There were times when appointment to clerical cadres was considered without knowledge in these subjects, but now the qualifications in these two have become almost essential for winning employment opportunities in private sector and to a greater extent even in government offices also. I am happy to state that this type of function always bring encouragement to students who are learning these arts. The association deserves praise in this regard for organizing such functions regularly once in every 6 months. By institution of such awards, the association is not only creating a keen competition amongst the institutions to impart effective coaching to win the laureates, but also serving the great ideal for the maintenance of the high standard of commerce education in this state. The conduct of competitive tests in various subjects will, before the conduct of the government examinations, I am sure will certainly help the students assess their standard of performance and boost their morale in the government examinations, which will follow. The efforts to the association in furthering the cause of students and commerce institutes are humorable. The association should be appreciated for its contribution in the revision of syllabus pattern for commerce subjects for the benefit of students community at large. I was informed that association is also conducting courses in office training program. The students who join this course are given training in office routines both in government said commerce wings. I am sure such a training would make them stand better compared to those coming straight from the schools. The organizations selecting these candidates will also be benefited in getting their job done effectively without much instructions to them. I wish that the association should pursue its lofty goals for the betterment of commerce education and the student community. I thank the association for having given me this opportunity to distribute the prices. Dear sir, we are in receipt of your letter of the 10th October requesting us to forward the goods mentioned therein at our earliest convenience. While we are taking action to comply with your request, we are very glad to inform you that we are purposing to open our branch in Madras to serve the interest of our customers in the south. We will come into contact with all our customers as soon as the arrangements are over from opening of the branch. We take the opportunity to refer to our bill for the goods supplied to you during August, which is still pending settlement, though we have been experiencing no difficulty in getting our claims settled with you promptly. We are unable to know the reason for the long delay in this case. In the circumstances, we request you please arrange to send us a bank draft for rupees 2000 at the earliest convenience. Thank you. Yours faithfully. Stop.